So we found the missing sides of A and B, and on A we got that the hypotenuse is 37, and on B we got that the opposite was 21. Everybody get that? So we need to write down the formula for sine of A minus B. And sine of A minus B is sine of the first guy, cosine of the second guy, minus sine of the second guy, cosine of the first guy. Okay? Everybody get that? So we need sine of A, cosine of B, and we need sine of B, cosine of A. So on the red one, the sine of A, and this is A right here, is going to be 12 over 37. That's the sine of A. Everybody get that? Yeah. The cosine of A is going to be 35 over 37. Any questions on that? SOHCAHTOA. Somebody tell me what the sine of B is. What's the sine of B?
Sine of B would be 21 over 29.
Yep. And the cosine of B would be what? It would be 20 over 29. Got it? So now we just put it in the formula. Sine of A is 12 over 37 times cosine of B, which is 20 over 29, minus sine of B, which would be 21 over 29, times cosine of A, which would be 35 over 37. And you just put all that in your calculator, hit math, enter, enter, go. So when I put that all in the calculator and hit math, enter, enter, I get negative 495 over 1073. And this should be like the third one down.
Yeah. That's pretty simple. Okay.
All right. You get 3 tries on each one.